At this point, I was having a run-in with literally everything but cassowaries. I had a run-in with my very first venomous snake in Australia, and thankfully it wasn't with my foot. I was in Kuranda, I saw this snake on the trail, and the species is called a red-bellied black snake. It's not a particularly aggressive species, but I'm not going to test that theory. The snake's just chilling out, basking in the sun, unbothered. I'm getting some photos and footage. The next thing I know, this Aussie guy is coming down the other end of the trail. He sees that snake, and he's like, "Oi, mate, get out of here, snake." And the snake, he just up and runs. And, you know, I mean, well, he didn't run. The snake didn't run because snakes don't have feet. But you get what I mean.